When faced with aging equipment, some railroads employ creative means to rebuild or convert many of their older problematic engines. One of the most well-known examples of creative rebuilding was when the Santa Fe converted many of their Baldwin switchers with EMD prime movers, affectionately known as a B, or Baldwin Jeep. However, the Santa Fe wasn't the only railroad to roster beeps, as Missouri, Kansas, Texas gave their DS-44-1000s an EMD SW900 style nose and 567 prime mover, as well as giving their AS-16 GB9 style noses and 567s, which were later sold to the Chicago and Northwestern, who also rebuilt their Baldwin switchers with EMD 567s. Even though many of these rebuilds were eventually scrapped, with the exception of MKT 1006. This train fact goes to show that even other famous railroads weren't afraid to mix old frames with modern prime movers and car bodies.